I don't need nobody else. I got you, and you got me too.
You can ride all the blue. I wanna do what you want to. We can leave and run away someday, someday.
Coming up on today's vlog.
Guys, look, it's all detangled, ready to wash.
When there's no hope hiding, no chance concealing what deep down I felt for you. Oh, I regret for losing the one who loved me, for who I can't go back to. Walking through all the dust, memories and frame, a past we simply let fade. But I don't close the door, waiting a chance for when we'll be back again. You make me feel so crazy, still in love with you. You make me feel amazing when I'm next to you. You make me feel so crazy, my heart breaks for you. Can't help but know that I'm still in love with you. You make me feel so. When there's no hope loving for you who saw me before I knew who I'd be. What I have around me means nothing to me if I can't share it with you. Walking through all the dust, memories and frame, a past we simply let fade. But I don't close the door, waiting the chance for when we'll be back again. You make me feel so crazy, still in love with you. You make me feel amazing when I'm next to you. You make me feel so crazy, my heart breaks for you. Can't help but know that I'm still in love with you. You make me feel so.
Good morning, guys. Good morning. Today is Tuesday. It rained. School is canceled. But for good reasons, because it's freezing rain. It's not just, your everyday rain. So kids are home from school. I'm just getting up, getting in the shower because I needed to wake up, and this is the best way I know how to wake up when, I'm just like, I need to. So, spirit's a little low today because, I'm still trying to figure out my life, you know what I mean? But, you know what? You gotta get up and you gotta make the best of what you have. You have life. And as long as you have life, you get a second chance. So, let's go downstairs, figure out dinner, and then I'll come back to you guys. Good morning, guys. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Yes, baby, what's the matter? Okay, we have to wash your hair today. Why is that light on? Turn that TV off. Turn the TV off. Did you guys pick up a book since you've been off school?
Yes, I picked up a book.
When?
I did.
Okay, turn the TV off because no one asked me if it could be on. And pick up all this stuff on the floor.
I did this.
All right, we need to be productive today. Why is that thing on the floor? Come on. No, I'm not doing this today. I'm not doing it. I'm not in the mood and I'm not doing it. What's the matter, Maddie? What's the matter? Okay, can you stand up, please? Stand up. Come on. There's a plate on the floor. Seriously? There's a plate on the floor. I don't care who it was. You saw it, pick it up. What you guys been up to all morning? Mommy. What you been up to? Come wash your hair. Jaxson drilling dishes. The cushions. The cushions and dusting tables. And then vacuum. Can you come here, please? You. That chair right there needs to be cleared off. Destiny vacuum. Okay, so I'm getting ready to. I think I'm gonna do this program. I'm gonna start it today. I'm gonna start that today. I need to go through and see what's missing. But I don't think anything is missing. Cause Miss Maddie been going through my stuff. Don't go through my stuff anymore, young lady. Okay, guys. So I forgot to announce the subscriber of the week. Well, do it in the first segment of the video. But the subscriber of the week goes to none other than Shay from Kicking It with the Grants. She's very supportive. So she also does YouTube here on YouTube. What? She also does YouTube videos and she's very supportive. When I tell you very supportive, I was going through commenting every comment because every video I went through and put a comment, like comment 1, comment 2, and literally I went back from a week to make it fair, and all 7 days that I picked, she had a comment on the day. So it was like comment 1 through 7 because it's 7 days. So Shay won the comment subscriber of the week, and I jokingly told her, I said, you mess around and you'll be subscriber of the week for a whole goddamn year, because that's just Shay. She's very supportive, and I love her for that. And so as a result, she is subscriber of the week. Woohoo! So congratulations, Shay, and thank you so much for your support. So we need to figure out dinner. You finished the front room? Really?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, so we have ground beef. We have chicken tenders. I didn't use it for the kids' lunch because I've been out of school for 2 days. So I have biscuit. I have the Hawaiian. Some of you have been telling me you've been searching for the Hawaiian biscuit. I've been searching for it too in our state and I couldn't find it. And it's the bomb. It's thebomb.com. So I think we're gonna have biscuit today, just because. I might make chicken dumpling biscuit in a crock pot. I'm fancy today, right? I'm fancy. Yes, you have to be fancy every day that you get up. Be fancy, okay? It's either you be fancy or you be bougie, whichever. Pick one in between, fancy or bougie. I think I'm feeling fancy. So we're gonna do chicken breast. We're gonna do this. We're gonna do chicken dumpling biscuit in a crock pot. So hopefully I have all the ingredients. If not, then we're gonna scratch that and it's gonna be something else. But that's what's for dinner. And then I have to do Miss Maddie's hair. I have to wash her hair, and then I have to wash Miss Destiny's hair, even though she doesn't want me to, because I haven't washed her hair in like, you want your hair washed? Her hair needs moisturizing like all get out. So I'm gonna wash her hair today. I'm gonna wash Missy hair, and I might shampoo the carpet because it's looking a bit dingy. So Okay, I don't care who put it there. Just get it out the sink. I need it. And then we're gonna work on paperwork. Like, you guys see that pile of paperwork right there? Yes, I have to work on that, and I gotta get it cleared out and just get rid of the clutter that's accumulating in this house. So, okay, all right. That had to get out somehow. My daughter is very extra. She's cleaning the chairs for me. Thank you, Destiny.
Yeah.
Okay, and then after that, you vacuum, and then I have to clean the carpet. Let's detangle your hair right now, young lady. Yes, you ready to detangle your hair? Yes? Okay, let's do it.
No, they're not.
How many books you reading today? These are not even on your level. These are Maddie's. You need harder books, dude. Like, seriously. You need chapter books. Let me see that one. You can't do those. Those are Maddie's. Okay, this is fine. This is fine. It's a bit below your level, but still. This is fine. And then you need at least 2 more. After you finish this, you need 2 more. And then you need to go upstairs and brush your teeth. So, guys, look, it's all detangled, ready to wash. Are you ready to wash your hair? She's angry at me because I had to detangle her hair. But her hair is getting so long that it's hard for me to detangle it while she's in the sink. So she's mad at me because I had to detangle her hair. Girl, you still mad? She's still mad at me. You ready to go wash your hair? Stop me mugging people. Say good morning, sunshines. Say good morning, guys. I'm so angry. I'm gonna go wash your hair. Guys, boys, cut it out. I'm ready for my sink. Santa. Miss Destiny's done with her chores. Look at that. Look how shiny that is.
Okay, wait.
Shiny! And then she did the dining room. She's in charge of the dining room. Shiny! And she vacuumed. Jaxson is in charge of the cushions and the shoes. She did a good job. Then I just have to clean the front area right there. Okay guys, so Destiny hair has been flat ironed for about 2 weeks now. And it only revert back in the front. Hold your head back. It only revert back here in the front. And where else? Slow down. And then in the back. A little bit in the back. But other than that, her hair is like bone straight. 2 weeks now, bone straight. And this is kind of scary for me when it comes to her hair because I don't want her to get any kind of heat damage.
No.
So, yeah, it revert back here and then in the front. But other than that, she could get another week out of it, but I have to deep condition and do a protein treatment on her hair and see what it comes back to, the curls, and if there's any kind of heat damage at all whatsoever. But happy with how long it lasted, and it was easy for her to manage and to do her own hair, but it's time to get it back to its original state. And it looks moisturized, like it's really moisturized. And I didn't put anything in her hair at all whatsoever, no product or anything, which is why it lasted so long, because her hair is naturally oily. So okay guys, so this is the conditioner I use in Maddie's hair, and this is the leave-in. So I'm gonna I wash and condition with this, and then I leave this in her hair. I do not use shampoo on Maddie's hair. Okay, time for a lens check. So this is Maddie's hair, 2 years old.
And I'm playing.
We are down to a third of our back. Almost.
Done.
Leah, could you stay still, please? It's hard to do a lens check on you. Okay.
No,
There you go.
them.
In the front of her hair. We are down. The front of her hair is
Done.
She won't let me. But yeah, for 2 years, that's good, right? No shampoo. No shampoo.
No shampoo, just water. Side hurts now.
Jeez, you're so pretty. I love your hair. I love your hair. So I just put low heat on her hair, and
My side.
this is how she's gonna wear her curls until I put some small little braids in it. All right. So this is Destiny's hair, just with shampoo. So we haven't put conditioner. And we did a little bit of damage, not too much. Not too much. If you see, she needs a trim. Definitely needs a trim, right about here. But other than that, we're gonna do a deep conditioner and protein treatment and see what we can recover. If not, then homegirl hair has to be cut off right around here. All this gotta go, cause yeah, we did a little bit of damage here. Okay, let's see what we can recover. Okay, she's under the dryer with a protein treatment. Let me show you guys what I put in her hair. So I use this protein treatment on her hair. It's the Apogee. And then I use this, not this. Oh, I use this to wash her hair. And then I put this conditioner, and then her deep conditioner is upstairs. All right, it's lunchtime. Someone here is done. Hold on, let me show y'all. So her hair is done. It got protein treatment, conditioner, and I just did it like this for the week. This should last her for the rest of the week, right? And I just did these little things in the middle and things. So that's done. Little one here. I still have to do her hair, but I'm not worried about it because she's not going to school. So I'm getting ready to make their lunch. I'm doing grilled cheese and a fruit and another snack.
You ate a pretzel.
A pretzel situation with probably peanut butter. And then I'm getting ready to put the crock pot on.
Here.
Okay, dinner is done. It's all done. And it looks so scrumptious.
Make it back. I want it.
That's the biscuit. It's not soggy.
Right.
So it's just baked on top in the crock pot. And then the chicken and dumpling is underneath. And then you just share it out. Okay guys, so dinner's done. Getting ready to serve it. Hubby's home. I don't know if you guys want to say hi to him before I end the vlog. He's over here worried about our light bill. It came and it was like high, like legit high. But it's been really cold, and I think our what did you say kicked in last month? The auxiliary heat kicked in, so we used a lot of energy. Say hi, baby. Say hi to the vlog.
Hi, sunshines.
Oh my gosh, guys. Did you guys hear that? Say it again, Rob.
Hi, sunshines.
Oh my gosh. He's worried about his bill. I can't. I've been stroking his little guy down there, and he's just like concentrating on his bill. So, no, the big guy. Like, you know how men are. They start out as a toddler, and then they slowly grow into adulthood. You know what I'm talking about. We got kids watching this. Anyways, this is going to be it for the vlog. Let me stop moving because it tends to be really shaky when I'm moving. I'm vlogging on my phone. But anyways, guys, thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today. If you're not a subscriber, go ahead and hit that subscribe button somewhere on the screen and become a sunshine. And I will talk to you guys in my next video, actually tomorrow. Bye, guys.